Bling car phone mount holder. Shiny crystal rhinestone phones stand for women and girls. Car accessories for windshield dashboard. Compatible with iPhone and most cell phones. Strong fixation. The Bling car phone holder has strong strength and the latest improved suction cup and vent clip, which can firmly fix your phone on the dashboard, windshield and air vent, makes it uneasy to fall off and cause trouble during your driving. Strong flexibility about 360-degree. It provides you with 360-degree rotation and fixation. The strong flexibility allows you to choose any angle at your convenience, like driving under guidance and talking with your family. A good partner for you and your car. The maximum length of the arm is about 6.7 inches, 17 centimeters. Good compatibility. The phone holder with adjustable feet allows it to fit any phone up to 4 to 6.5 inches. There's no need to worry about your phone size or type, iPhone/Samsung Galaxy/LG and other commonly seen smartphones. High quality. It can withstand harsh weather like low temperature. The gear meshing is smooth and the noise is reduced. Easy installation. Don't need any professional knowledge to get it easily done. Besides, our video can help you better finish installation. After-sale guarantee. 1 year after-sale service. If you need any further support and assistance or have problems with the product, please feel free to contact us, and we'll do our best to solve your problem. Bling car phone holder. Full protection, shock-absorbing silicone arm, silicone padded back and silicone pads holding feet make car phone mount grab more tightly to the car and protect your cell phone. Easy quick installation, only take few seconds to complete installation. Good flexibility, the both arms are adjustable. The holder will hold big phones more steadily, making your phone uneasy to fall off. Details of the car phone holder. Features. It's about 0.57 pounds, what's more it can stretch as long as 8.9 inch. 360 degrees rotation allows good flexibility. You can adjust to your favorite angle and won't block the sight, making your driving safer and more enjoyable. Delicately made Bling car phone holder, your best choice. It is good quality, the rhinestones are fairly made, not easy to fall off from the holder itself. Under proper circumstances, the holder can last months long, and even years long, and still as new as the moment you just bought it. It is a very good choice for giving away as a gift to your girlfriend, mother and anyone you care about. There are different options for moving it around to a certain height and almost any angle you want. It's super simple to put the phone in and take it out. Tight grip make the phone stays sturdily on the holder and won't fall off. Imaging after a tough day and you are driving back home, the well-made beautiful phone holder will be a slight relief while you are in your car.